Hi, happy Hanukkah! Today we are making cinnamon donuts. I'm going to fill those with a rich pumpkin custard. So this is really great because it's two separate recipes. So you have the cinnamon donuts and you can fill those with any kind of cream that you want, or you can even just make them into rings because they're delicious, nom nom nom. And the pumpkin custard is a stovetop custard, so it's pretty simple, and you could throw in a little pumpkin pie spice, you could top it with some whipped cream and just serve it as a pudding for dessert. So these are great recipes. Let's dive right in and get started. So after you've completed your donuts, you're gonna have all of this just scrap dough, and you can just squish it up together. You wanna knead it really good. And then we're gonna pull out 6 to 7 donut holes. We're gonna make baby donuts. Okay, so got it kneaded really well together. Okay, so now you're gonna, just like when you take a challah, right? You're gonna pinch out a ball. Okay, pinch out a ball, roll it up, and set it down. And you're gonna do this until you have, it's about 6 or 7, until you finish out your dough. So you have no scraps, zero waste. You're gonna go ahead and put that proofing with the donuts. So when you're ready to fry, they'll all be risen and you'll be able to fry them together.